Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here at Crypto Nation. Please, if you're new here, you like the content, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. It's totally free. And it's going to be a quick update. I want to talk about this token. It's a Solana token called Marinade. It's a liquid. It does like liquid staking. It's one of those um, low cap DeFi projects. The market cap is only at 31 million. Was at 31 million now, but I believe this is one of those tokens that it can definitely get up to like a $50 million market cap. It's a lower cap. It has pretty good tokenomics. 209 million, 209 million is in circulation, and it has exactly 1 billion for the max supply. So it's only 20% in the circulation. So pretty good tokenomics. And the see here, and recently went on a massive pump. I've been watching this token for a while. I wasn't in it, but it was sitting at around 5 6 cents in that area for a very long time. I still remember when this was around 3 cents. But anyways, it pumped all the way up to 18 cents. Let's look at that 7 day chart. This is the 7 day chart right here. I think it went up to no, it went up to 19 cents. Okay, it pumped all the way up to 19 cents. Then of course it dropped back right here. It's pulled back because this is a Solana token, and Solana just went on a massive pump. So this one pumped along with it as well. And this is one of those DeFi projects. Let's take a look at that all-time chart. The all-time chart is down about 10% in the all-time chart. It looked like um, this is actually a new project. I'm showing 16 cents back in February of 22 was at around the high was around 16 cents, and then it looked like okay, this all-time high was back in February of 2022. It was up to 30 cents. It was at 30 cents. And then it came back. This is the all-time chart, 2022, 25. Let's look at that 1 year chart. Let's take a look at the 1 year. Okay, about a year ago, looked like about 24 cents there, 29, and then it came back, came down. This was back in 2022. And then it obviously came down. This must have been the bear market right here. Yep, 12, 25, 22. Yep, this was obviously the bear market. We got hit during the bear market, but it never went below a penny. And it stayed between like, 4 to 5 cents for a long time. Between like, I'll say between 4 to 6 cents. For over a year, it was sitting at between 4 to 6 cents for over a year. It did a couple of spikes. It spiked up to 9 cents once here. This is the 1 year chart. And I think in back in, let me see, yeah, let me see here, 11 cents here. So yeah, this is one of those DeFi's. Like I said, it recently just went on a massive pump. Like it was literally, what's that? The 1 month, 239%. Yesterday, this thing was over 350 some percent for the 1 month. The 1 days, it's still up over 120 something percent, but I'm quite sure people are doing profit takings after the massive pump to 19 cents. Of course, people's going to take profits. That's the name of the game. You don't want to keep holding the bag, and the key is to take profits and then wait for it to retrace and pull back, and then get back in. That's the key to trading. Well, that's the smart way to that's the smart way to do it. Okay, these are some messages here. It says um, as Saul goes to the moon, Mende will too. Yep, this is a Solana token. So I'm keeping a close lookout on this. I'm gonna see how far it pulls back. Once I get my liquidity up, going up, going towards the crypto bull run. This is definitely a token that I'm definitely want to pick up a bag on, just because Solana's going to do very well in the bull run, and this is a Solana token. And let's talk about a little bit of the what this is about. It says about Marinade as of January 2022. Um, Marinade, okay, what's that? 64. Okay, Marinade have been distributed through liquidity mining or retroactive rewards to early users of the Marinade protocol. There is a maximum supply of 1 billion. Okay, we just looked at that. So it has a max supply of 1 billion Marinade, and the circulating supply can be monitored on this page. You can read more. So I'm quite sure over time they're going to put more tokens out into the market. It was crazy. It's only 209 million in a circulating supply, and that's only 20. It's only 20% of the circulation out there of the 1 billion. So this token, This is definitely going to do good in the bull run. I can see this hitting about in a bull run. I think this can go up to about $2 a coin. The fact that our crypto bull run is going to be so massive, I could definitely see this hit going to a dollar fifty to $2. Yeah, like I said, I got this on my watch list, but I'm gonna wait to see how far back it pulls back. I'm thinking if this thing could go back down to like to the levels of like 5 to 6 cents, I definitely will get in. But I highly doubt it'll probably go down that long, go down that low, and and like I said, this is not an Ethereum token. It's a Solana token, which makes it good. Solana's already outpaced Bitcoin, both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's a good thing to know. So yeah, I don't want to be too long here. I'm getting ready to need to run to the grocery store. I just want to do a quick update on the Marinade protocol. So this is a DeFi. This is a low cap. DeFi. I'm telling you, this is like cryptos. Tokens like this is definitely ones you want to look out for. It just recently went on a massive run, but right now it's at 14 cents, but I'm looking for this thing to at least go down to about maybe 6 7 cents. If that, I'm definitely want to pick up a small bag and just I'll say for the next like 6 months or so, this would be a good token to swing trade as well, because the way it literally ran from like 5 cents to like 19 cents, and in a matter of days. So this is the 7 day chart right here. It went from 6 cents all the way to like 19. So it went from 6 cents all the way to 19 within one, two, three, four, within about 5 days, in a 5 day span. So like I said, you look at that 1 month chart, it shows everything. It was up over 350% in a 1 month. It shows 230 something now because it recently retraced and pulled back, obviously. But it was up over 355% in a 1 month. So this is looking at the 1 month chart here. Look at that, 4 cents. It was at 4 cents, and look what it did. It shows some sideways action. So at the beginning of the month, it was at 4 cents. This was October 5th, the beginning of the month, 4 cents. It was trading sideways. The 12th is still at 4 cents. It even pulled back down to 3 cents. October 12th, it pulled back. October 13th, 3 cents. So it was going between 3 and 4 cents. October 14th, 4 cents. 4 cents. It keep going. October 17th, 4 cents. October 18th, 3 cents. It pulled back to 3 cents. October 19th, 4 cents. It pulled back. Then it looked like it breaks out. I think October 20th is still at 4 cents. October 21st is when it starts to break. October 21st is going into the high fours. Keep going, keep going. October 22nd is when it really starts to break. It's still at 4 cents, but it's in the high 4 cents. Okay, this is where it really breaks. Okay, it starts to break October um, 23rd. Okay, October 23rd, it looked like it's still at 4 cents, but it's in the high fours. Now here's where it breaks. October 23rd, right here. Boom, it breaks right there. October 23rd, that was just about a week and a half ago. Boom, it pops up. It quickly goes from 4 cents to 6 cents. Look at that. Then it pulled back to five. Look at that. So now it's going between 5 to 6 cents. October 25th, 26. Look at that, 26 cents. October 29th, 30th. Now it looked like October 30th. Let me see. Yep, around October 30th. Yep, hold up. Yep, October 29th. It's in the high sixes. And then October 30th, this is when it really breaks out. It goes up to 7 cents, 8 cents. Look, this is all October 30th. 31st, 10 cents. Between October 30th and 31st is when it really broke out. 9 cents, 11. Look at that. This thing just broke out. And then so October 30th, 31st is when it really broke out. November 1st, 14 cents. Yesterday was the first because today's November 2nd. Look at that. Between the 30th and like October 1st is when the all-time high, 19 cents. No, what? No, it wasn't the all-time high, but for the all-time high for this year, it just broke out. Look at that. It just went. Look at that chart. Beautiful. Look, and this shows you what crypto can do. It could be stagnant for a long time, trade sideways, and you can tell this was the accumulation period right here. This is where a lot of people was accumulating their position. It was a lot of sideways action where people accumulated, and then it just by October 30th, 31st, it just took off. It pumped all the way up to 19 cents. But yeah, guys, this is what you know, the power of crypto. I was just thinking, no, there, stocks is not doing stuff like that. Only cryptos can move like over 300, 2 to 300% in a 1 month. I don't see no stocks doing this right now. Only crypto, and the fact that we're at the beginning stages of our bull run, makes it even better. But yeah, guys, that's my take on Marinade token. And this is just a reminder what of what's to come. These small cap tokens that has like utility behind it, where there's Web3 or DeFi. This is what I'm really focused on going into the bull run, guys. Web3 and DeFi. This is what's going to be one of the main drivers of our crypto bull run. But anyways, hey, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button if you like this content. It helps out the algorithm. Hey, I think I'm gonna try to go live a little bit later. But hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.